this is Spectra, and today we're going to be moving on to day 7 of the Chili's hot sauce advent calendar. Now, it's right here. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. Just gotta... There we go. And today is... I feel like some hot sauces have been knocked loose. I don't know. But anyway, today is Scotch bonnet hot sauce. Just hold that up there. I don't know why I do this, it never focuses. But yeah, Scotch bonnet hot sauce. Let's open it up and give it a taste. Okay, we got it open. Now, first, let's see how it tastes by itself. That one has the strongest kick so far. I like that. It tastes good and it has a very strong kick. It just went like that, just immediately. Oh, I can't wait to try it on the chip. Okay, we got on the chip. Now let's try it. Again, when the hot sauce touches my tongue, just a straight kick to it. Oh, I love it so much. This one is actually my favorite one now, not the Tabasco one. So yeah, a very strong kick, a very good taste. It's not perfect though. Oh, like the taste doesn't last that long, it just goes straight to the kick. Like you can taste it for a little bit, but then it goes away because of the kick. So yeah, I give it a 9 out of 10, almost perfect. Whew. So yeah, that was the Chili's hot sauce advent calendar day 7. Just put that back in. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please hit that like button and subscribe. And with all that said, this has been Spectra signing off.